Sometimes people walk up and ask the strangest questions, and some of them, they might seem strange to everybody else, but they mean a great deal to Sister Bev and I. People say, "Pastor, what could we do to make you happy?" And I remember when people said that to me the first time, I just thought, what's my job to make you happy? It hit me strange. And then I got to thinking about how I walked up to my father one time and said, "Dad, what can I do to make you happy?" And I realized this was something that was said out of love. Now, this is how Paul would answer that question. Philippians chapter 2, beginning with verse 1. "Is there any encouragement from belonging to Christ? Is there any comfort from his love? Any fellowship together in the Spirit? Are your hearts tender? Are they hard? Are they tender and compassionate? Then make me truly happy by agreeing wholeheartedly with one another, loving one another, and working together with one mind and purpose." Now, let's just start there. He said, "You really want to make me happy? Stop all the division, the strife, the arguing." He said, just stop all that and learn to agree from the heart with each other and love one another and work together. Do crusades together, do your connect groups together, work together with one mind and one purpose. He said, that's how you make me happy, when all the strife and arguing is going on. Now, we can understand that. Every parent who's listening to me right now, you're not happy when your kids are fighting. You're not happy when your kids are quarreling. It's not something that gives you any joy. But when you see the kids all around a table together, and then their children are with them also, and you sit there as a grandparent and you look at your children and your grandchildren and you see them laughing and enjoying at a table. Sometimes we call it bonding together, but you see them enjoying together. You see them talking about doing things together. Have you ever noticed how a smile starts to come up on the corner of your mouth? They've made you truly happy. And then he says, don't be selfish. Don't try to impress others. He said, quit being selfish. Quit going after stuff, Be humble, thinking of others as better than yourselves. Don't look out for your own interest, but take an interest in others also. He said, you want to make me happy? Love each other, care for each other, work together with each other. Don't be self-centered. Think about everybody else. Don't look out for just your own interests, but think about, what can I do to help other people? What can I do to help the other members? Paul said, that's how you make a pastor truly happy.